Hi everyone, Annette here from Real Leads Finder Pro. Here is another quick tip I just wanted to share with you guys and make sure you are up to date with the latest and greatest from Go High Level. Today we're going to be covering the newest feature or improved feature in the Workflow Builder that allows you to drag and drop actions, thereby making building your workflow a little easier and more visual. So remember how before, if you wanted to add a action, you would have to choose from one of these and then go through this whole thing. But now you can do it a little easier. You can just go ahead and you can click and drag, and now it's added to your workflow. Continue to build your workflow that way. Also, in case you don't already know, there are some really nice features here on the list. You can add notes regarding your workflow, what kind it is, what its purpose is. Just put it right there. I'm just going to put assigned to user, and that's that. And then also what you can do is you can, these are stats for your workflow. You can add a sticky note. Look at this. I can take this, add this little sticky note right here. And then whenever I open this workflow, I'm going to see that sticky note right there because it saves it. This is great for yourself, maybe as a reminder. Right? Little notes to yourself, or if you're using a team, you have an admin, you want to leave notes regarding or instructions regarding the workflow for someone on your team, you can do that right through the sticky notes right here, so that when they go into the workflow, they'll see it. There's also the workflow switcher. This is the standard build, but if you'd prefer to have the advanced builder, it looks like this. This little icon here, just basically just checks your workflow, make sure that there are no errors, and if there are, it'll highlight it for you and walk you through how to fix them. Your stats view. We already covered sticky notes, workflow switcher, which I just showed you up here from Advanced Builder. I can go back to the Standard Builder, and of course, your version history, what changes you've made in the past, if ever you wanted to revert to that. And then of course you have the workflow AI, which is right here to help you build out this workflow, make changes, add things, delete things, whatever the case may be. However you want to use the AI assistant, it is your basic right hand man in terms of building out a workflow. So you see, you don't need to know it all. You've got AI right here to help you. I hope you enjoyed this very quick little overview of the Advanced Workflow Builder, and stay tuned for next time. Take care. If you're new to Go High Level and looking for a way to shorten your learning curve and get up and running quickly, check out Real Leads Finder Pro's courses. The Success Hub is a step-by-step video library built for beginners, with ongoing training on automations, AI tools, reputation management, and real marketing strategies. Visit realleadsfinder.com for more information.